little bitch.
If y'all want to learn how to use AI agents to perform tasks for you while you do other tasks, please like and subscribe and click the next video where I'll be showing y'all how I use AI agents to also develop websites and make your life 10 times easier. It's not that hard. You feel me? I'm gonna just try and bring some value to y'all. And if y'all love Scrapwell Lab, if y'all are really SWL Swall Gang, like, subscribe, leave a comment, and if y'all stick around for the long run, I promise y'all we will get paid together. That's what the Scrapwell's Lab is about. So, like, share, subscribe, you know, all that shit. I appreciate y'all. Peace. What's up, Swole Gang? Got an opportunity for you niggas. Alright, we just gonna get straight into it and how this is gonna work. You can win $10,000, but you gotta start right now today. If you're watching this video, I know I'm a small YouTuber with very little views, but that is the point. Not everybody knows about this. There's a website called Base44, and they are doing 10K giveaways every week for people that sign up, create a paid account, and create a creative website and submit it every week for a different challenge, and they will give you 10 bands for it. So I'm gonna show y'all how this works. Just give me a sec. Okay, so this is the Build for Marketing Challenge. Build what makes marketing smarter, faster, easier. No fluff, no limits, just what actually helps you grow. 10K prize for the winner. And then you can start building here. As you can see, this is the countdown. So we do not have time left. So if you ran into this video and you found value in this and you're going to enter this challenge, make sure you like, hit the subscribe button. If you found value in this, keep following Scrapwell's Lab for more money methods. You feel me? So Build for Marketing Challenge. So what is Base44? Base44 is a vibe coding web app developer. So this is the app that I have created so far. This is supposed to be a all-in-one launch campaign website. As you can see, we have the brand logo, color palette, brand guidelines, and you can upload PDF guidelines. This is supposed to power your brand centralized intelligence for consistent messaging. Now, this is just a rough draft for the video. This is not going to be the website I am submitting, but I'll just have y'all have a quick look. But this is for marketers. So we're going to be giving this website to marketers. So we're just going to go through it. Boom, choose your starting point, blah, blah, blah. This is just a quick overview of how things look here. This is the example that I made for the website, just for the video, just so y'all don't copy me. Y'all can copy this if y'all want to, but we can go back here. As you can see, how to enter the challenge, build your app, and then share it. Get inspired, AI content generator, social media scheduler. You know, these are the different examples of what we could do to start the challenge. And then sharing on Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. So that's the basics. If you really need more details how this goes, you can read the rules here. It'll download a PDF. You could open it up and it'll have all this, blah, blah, blah. And if you don't want to go through that, just use ChatGPT. And so I'm going to show you an example of what I did. So what I did here was I sent it a screenshot from my email, and I created this very long prompt. So it says, I want to create a new app that will beat this challenge on Base44. Based off this challenge and the picture that I'm going to give you, it has to be the best and the top quality features and things that marketers can seriously utilize. This website is supposed to be extremely competitive. The deadline for this challenge is about a week from now, August 26th. I'm going to put as much work on this project as possible, and I plan to put this out on YouTube as well so people can sign up through my link to Base44. And I need you to conduct deep research on Base44 capabilities and the most optimal ways to utilize you and Base44's full potential. There is a $10,000 reward for the best website. You will conduct deep, serious research on this project and what a marketer is looking for and what can truly utilize and solve a problem for them. You will map out the full development and prompts for this website and make sure this will fully be thought out and thorough. We will win this competition. This is a goal that will 10x the income that we need. The science of the impossible goal. 1, framework. Your framework is the thesis, and this is your operating system. Your thesis must change. The floor is your system, your strategy. Build a new system, achieve the impossible goal. Focus, results is the process, is you figuring out the result. And then we give it the purpose of why we even said that. We must rule out all things that will not drive us to the 10x path, and we are going to base our plan of attack based off this book and YouTube video. I sent it some sources, and I said I will create an offer on YouTube. We need to create a marketing plan, right? So you give it all those fucking details, excuse me. So we did all this deep work, and we went through all these processes, but this is it for the sake of the video. So we go through all this. So we go through all these processes to build this website. Now that we built this website, so here's my new prompt. I want you to go to the site that I gave you. I have a plan. 1, you are going to conduct research on other people doing this challenge right now. Here is the link for a point of reference that will help you start looking. If the link wants my Google account back out of the, we are going to create a new app. One that does focus instead on, we are going to create a new app that does one focus instead of the app we currently are working on. We will create some proper competitive app that will have high chances of winning this challenge, and we are going to use our conversation here and use this as a reference to our work ethic. This website has to exist within all limitations of Base44 and its functionality. We can't afford to backtrack again. Once we have this app formulated and all of its functionality, we need to create a full canvas of how this app will work and what value this brings to the niche and that we are attacking. This canvas will have fully laid out prompts step by step of how this app will be built brick by the AI in Base44. These prompts will also serve as an example of how to talk to the AI. This app has to be within the functions of AI capabilities. We will create some type of AI assisted tool with no bugs. We will keep app pages as minimal as possible while keeping the idea big with high value. Once we start building the app prompt by prompt, we will find a niche we are looking for to start paying for these services. That will start paying for these services with real integrated links to my payment methods. Even if this app does not win the competition, the benefit of this challenge is that the website will be legit and will generate users and income. And you can check out the turn $100 and turn a website for $100 that can pay you forever. I'll leave the link at the end of the video. And you can also check out the 5K a month challenge. You can also join my Skool community and help be a teacher and get paid for it. But other than that aside, this is the prompt that I created myself. Now you can do a voice message and send it to ChatGPT, but if you know how to type, then I personally believe typing is much faster and much easier. And if you have a higher vocabulary and understanding of context and words and phonics, and you can type, ChatGPT is actually so much more advanced. It has much more potential than the average motherfucker using it as a search engine. But I'm going to give it this prompt and we're just gonna get in. Now that I've shown you that, and while that's cooking, we're gonna go back here. So if you need some type of framework or want to copy this somehow, this is the master prompt, if you would call it that. So now that I've shown y'all that, here is the Twitter page, and it seems like they're doing this every week or the last 2 weeks. So build the dream 10K marketing challenge, build what makes marketing smarter, faster, easier. And then here's the details of the challenge. Here are people that made submissions. What I advise you to do is when you start making your website, you're going to not want to, because I can't see the example, I can't see the website. Why most people don't want to make an account before they know what they're getting into. And I already tested all three of these. All three of these require you to log in with your Google account before even seeing what they have to offer, unlike this one. As you can see, this is like a landing page or whatever. The future of media planning. Generate briefs instantly. Discover vendors with AI and build smarter plans. All-in-one OS for modern media planners. And then you have to get started, sign in. Secure Google sign-in. Media planning is still broken. Despite all the technology advances, media planners still struggle with the same core challenge. And then here are problems that people experience with media planning. So basically this right here is a solution proposition. This is what they're offering. So they're gonna dive deeper into your pain and then offer you a solution for your pain. And then here's the solution: meet your media planning operating system, a complete platform that transforms how you discover vendors, build plans, and deliver results. They tell you why it's different, and here's a call to action. And then here's some more solution and offer. This is implying that the value they're gonna bring you is higher than the money you will pay. And I promise with Base44 it's the same thing. If you do $50 or higher membership, it is much worth it. You can make unlimited websites, you can create your own websites, make your own stores, sell websites to other people. Honestly, it has more potential than just entering these competitions. And it's only $50 a month for domains, etc. Go look up pricing plans if you can, but it is much worth it. If you click the link in my description, this website can definitely help you make some money. So this is an example of some of our competition, or your competition if you plan to enter this. For example, this one, it wants you to have a Google account, unlike the other one where it gives you everything that you're looking for before you even put an account in. So yes, please enter this challenge. If you ran into this video today, make sure you start today. There's only 4 days left. As you can see, 4 days and 9 hours, and this is not even when I'll be posting this video. I will be posting this video today, but if you see this, do not hesitate. Click the link in my description, create a paid membership monthly account or yearly, doesn't matter, and start building a website. Use ChatGPT as intelligent and as efficient and diligently and thorough as you can. Swole gang, nigga, this is a really good opportunity. If you join Base44, create a paid account, and subscribe to me and want to join my web development team to win the 10K, I'll give you 10% of 10,000, which is 1,000. You can easily win 1,000 on my team. I'm only taking 2 or 3 people, so I'm giving away 30% of my earnings to whoever joins my team and wants to win with me. And if not, I wish you luck on this competition and I hope you beat me, but I'm not gonna let you beat me. But yeah, that's how it works, Swole gang. Make sure you enter, win that 10K, and make sure you click the link in my description. 5K challenge. Put in $9 to $50, $9 for the month, $50 for the year. That is actually a smaller risk, smaller investment. This is actually not that small either, you feel me? It's not that big either. It's still $50, but just for the month. But if you do this, you get 10x in 4 days, 10 bands in 4 days. Come on now, bruh. And if you don't think you're that good of a web developer, you can join my team and make a band in 4 days. It's not that hard, but get on it, Swole gang. Do not miss this opportunity, bruh. Tap in, go and create your account on Base44. Create a very creative website, and once you do that, submit it, and I hope you win. We can all win some money. If y'all want to learn how to use AI agents to perform tasks for you while you do other tasks, please like and subscribe and click the next video where I'll be showing y'all how I use AI agents to also develop websites and make your life 10 times easier. It's not that hard, you feel me? I'm gonna just try and bring some value to y'all. And if y'all love Scrapwell Lab, if y'all are really SWL Swole gang, like, subscribe, leave a comment, and if y'all stick around for the long run, I promise y'all we will get paid together. That's what the Scrapwell Lab is about. So like, just share, subscribe, you know, all that shit. I appreciate y'all. Peace.
I just hear that name. Little bitch.